Robotics. Try this out. Robotics. Try this out. Robotics. Robotics. Try this out.
Hi Tyler, what are we doing today?
I want to actually pay off my loan.
Okay. How are we doing?
Welcome to today's video, guys. So today's a great day actually because I finally paid off my loan for the last time. I'm not paying another loan again ever, probably a mortgage, I don't know, we'll see. But so today's starting off great. Not for Dalt though, I would say. Matt and I, we're gonna help Dalton fix his tire. He has a nail in his left rear tire that we took from his work, and now we're gonna help him out and drop it off so when he gets out of work he'll have a fresh tire on it. Later today I am going to add a oil regulator, I want to say it's called, in the head. So it's a pretty known part for Evos and it keeps the oil out of the head. But me and Matt are gonna head to Discount Tire and replace his tire, and then we'll start working on this bad boy. But today is starting off fantastic because of this reason right here. And I even got money back because I had a account through Michigan Schools and Government. I had like $100 in there or something, so when I paid off my car they gave me $100. So today's starting off great. So Matt's actually talking to the insurance company for a purchase he's about to make probably tomorrow. We're gonna go look at a car. I'm not telling you what it is because it is actually pretty special in the friend group. He's been wanting this car for a long time and this is very, very cool. All right guys, so I'm about to replace that oil restrictor or regulator. I'm not sure, I'll look it up after we're done, but this is what we're actually replacing, and I'm about to show you a new billet piece that supposedly keeps oil out of the head more. But everything's looking pretty good. I'm actually really happy. I haven't had the valve cover off in a little while, but it's nice to just look over everything. All these cams still look really good. I don't see any like grooves or anything, and the oil looks really good. I might even go along the head bolts and just make sure those are all to torque too, because we do have a torque wrench, and why not? You want to go for a ride? You want to be in the vlog, Austin?
Yeah, dude, let's go. Can I drive?
No, not yet.
No?
Not yet. Not until it's all good, and then I'll let you drive.
I haven't driven in it yet. Let me drive it.
No, but I'll give you a ride. But we are going to replace it. It's called Kiggly Racing. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Kiggly, and it comes with a nice billet piece that replaces this thing right here, and hopefully it works out. But let me get this done. Austin just got done putting a new shock in his bike. Let's see how it goes. that was weak, Austin.
Come on, guy.
What we got, Tyler? Kiggly. I think we're calling it Kiggly.
We may butcher the name, but
Kiggly?
Kiggly?
Kiggly.
Kiggly, something like that.
Kiggly. But it comes with a little metal gasket that slides in between, and then the real thing.
Well, nice, John. There's a nice aluminum billet piece.
I love these billet pieces.
Sick.
Aluminum. Feel it.
Yeah, I know. With a little restrictor on the inside. Nice.
Alright, let's get the old pieces off.
Right.
You think I'm good with the impact, man?
Gotta love that shit. I would use a ratchet. Or just send it. Whatever. Fair enough. Let's see the inside of that one. Yeah.
We have to take that screw off.
A little bit of a difference.
Yeah.
Bolt it up.
I don't know which way it goes. So I'm figuring out.
Flip it around. That way.
It's not gonna hit that. That's a valve cover. It's definitely gonna hit these three right here. So like that. Huh. Right there?
Yep, that's the money shot right there.
That's the money shot right there.
Yep.
Right there. There we go. That's the way to do it.
Got a torque for this? 8.
Yep.
Green lights only, baby.
Like, this thing's so nice.
That's what the big bucks get you.
Right. Alright, so now I'm going to just retorque everything just to make sure. I mean, it probably has 2,000 miles on it by now, and I never touched the head studs since we put the engine together, so I'm just going to... We have it all apart, why not?
Yeah, valve cover's off.
I think it's like a 21 with like a 12 point.
It is 12 point. Need to replace that. You're exposed, Tyler. Sorry, buddy. It's on a rolling camera right now. I'm not shutting it off, so Tyler's gonna have a long ass video to edit.
Yeah, thanks for all this.
Of you back and forth. Back and forth. How many times does it take you to grab the right tool?
This is the real, oh dude, minty.
Yeah.
And then just...
No, smaller one.
Why is it mint? Oh,
because
I feel you. Okay, you're right.
The extensions take up your torque. Oh, what the heck? Is that an extension from 1/2 inch to 3/8?
It's an adapter. It's all they had in store, dude.
That's interesting. How long is this video right now? 7 minutes. There it is. That was a decent one. Oh yeah. How's it looking?
I haven't had one budge on me yet.
Perfect. Yeah, that 3/8 is a little small for this high of a torque. There you go. And all those extensions does not help either.
No. Yeah, they didn't move at all.
Perfect.
I guess that's good news.
That's great news.
All right, let's throw it all back together, and I kind of want to go for a drive, check my oil pressure, see if there's any difference, and then when I get the Moroso oil pan on there, see if there's a difference after that.
I like it.
Just making steps, you know?
Yep.
So let's go for a drive.
We gotta put it back together, Tyler, and then we can go for a drive.
Oh. All right, so the car is all back together. It's all in there. So now I kind of want to take it for a drive and see if I can actually notice any difference in the oil pressure gauge. I don't think I will, honestly, but it's worth a shot. So I'm gonna take it for a cruise and see what happens. I believe there will be a small difference in the oil pressure when we install this thing. So this should change our oil pressure, especially on turns. Hopefully we don't see as much as of a drop when we're taking deep turns and stuff, but this will be another day. I did finally get the gasket I was waiting for, so we can install this. We're waiting on nothing to install the oil pan, so we'll get to it. Just finished this test drive. It didn't change anything. It kind of felt like it did until it got hot, like it usually does. I didn't think it would. It's more just keeping the oil out of the head, like I said, so that really wouldn't affect the oil pressure. I was just curious if it did. But now we're gonna kind of wrap this video up by going to Woodward. Justin, your brakes are squeaking.
Give me some, baby, give me some.
Give him some, Justin.
I love it, bro.
All right, we got all the cars. We got all the cars out here, man. Good crew. Woo! Still a good crew. So pretty good turnout. I talked to a few people that just owned a few different kind of cars, and now we're just chilling. Matt finally got here. Matt was missing the whole time. Now Matt's here with his truck. Yeah, how'd you do?
I don't really keep score.
But yeah, talked to a few people.
Now we're by ourselves.
Now we're by ourselves with some privacy, and it's kind of nicer. So now we can actually like, dude, yeah, that truck is so sick. Matt, what kind of car are you buying, bro?
Huh?
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 How do you feel about Woodward? Always a good time, or just kind of is what it is?
I like Woodward. I think it's cool. I mean, I enjoy like looking at the cars. And that's Woodward for you.
I don't know if you can hear me or see me, but we have the best squad. I don't care what you say. Comment all your squad. If you have a better squad than us, comment all your guys' cars, because I think we have a solid squad.
I'm thinking, and I'm trying to hope.
All right, guys, we are done with Woodward. Everyone have fun?
Yeah.
Right on. Saw a lot of cars, talked to a few people, met some people, but that's it for this one. Hope you liked that video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys.